The explosive growth of mobile devices coupled with the surge in demand of property market due to the population growth in Singapore has given rise to the need for powerful and smart property search applications for mobile devices. However, existing property search applications only expose limited search features such as basic filtering mechanisms like searching by location to users and utilizes inefficient map-based visualization scheme to render search results. In this project, we aim to build a powerful map-based, user-friendly, superior property search mobile application to address the limitations of existing property search applications. Specifically, our application aims to support powerful but user-friendly search facilities on the go by leveraging a variety of publicly available data and superior results visualization framework overlaid on Google Maps. In clustering-based map view, property objects are grouped into clusters. As users zoom into the map, existing clusters will split into smaller clusters up to the level where individual property markers is reached. And as users zoom out from the map, property markers in close proximity are grouped into bigger clusters. This feature is to help prevent the cluttering of property markers in areas where density of properties are high. In place-based search, users can search for any places of interest with Google Places API. The search result then returns a place object that is rendered on the map, programmed with an info window that enables property search within a specified distance range. In this example, properties that is within 1 km distance range to UT point are located and displayed in property list view back to the users. In theme-based search, users can search for properties that have one or more themes that is within the specified distance range to the properties. Different distance range can be specified for every theme that is selected. In this example, properties that have a hawker center that is within 300 meter distance range and a gym that is within 450 meter distance range will be located. Theme and property objects that satisfies the search requirement are then written from the search results, rendered on the map view, and displayed back to the users. In fastest route search, users can search for properties that have the fastest route path for their daily commuting needs. In this example, a user departs every day at 7:15 AM before he drives to work. He will first drop by at Nanyang Technological University before he reaches his destination at Jurong Point. The search scope can be set to current selection to limit only properties in the current map bounds for the search. Google Directions API then calculates the fastest route path for every property and sort them as accordingly in the property list view in ascending order, returning only the property with the fastest route path at the top of the list back to the user. In school-based search, users can search for properties that is near to specific education institutions. With the comprehensive search interface provided, users are able to specify the type of school that they want. Program options availability specific to the education level can be indicated, as well as any other disability needs that might be supported by the facilities of the school. In this example, properties that is within 1 km distance range to the school and is within the current map bounds will be located. School and property objects that satisfies the search requirement are then written from the search results and rendered on the map view. Smart Listing View is a property listing page that utilizes map-based functionalities to display geographical information of nearby themes. Users can tap on any of the theme category to view more detailed geographical information of the theme, such as the route path from the property to the theme. More theme categories can also be added by the user to the property listing page.